Hello everyone, welcome to PB Maths. Today in this video, I'm going to solve a problem which is from nsejs 2019. The question is, if A, B, C are real distinct numbers such that A plus 1 by B is equals B plus 1 by C is equals C plus 1 by A, then what is the value of A, B, C? Means here we need to find the product of A, B, C. To find that, let's write that expression A plus 1 by B is equals B plus 1 by C is equals C plus 1 by A. Let's take these two terms. We have A plus 1 by B is equals B plus 1 by C. Let's shift this B to LHS and 1 by B to RHS. Then we have A minus B is equals 1 by C minus 1 by B. Let's find the LCM of B and C, that is BC. So C, B's are, and here we B, C's are. So A minus B is equals, we can write B minus C divided by BC. Let's say it as equation 1. Similarly, let's take these two parts, B plus 1 by C is equals C plus 1 by A. Again here I am shifting C to this side and 1 by C to right hand side. Then B minus C is equals 1 by A minus 1 by C. Then finding LCM, we can write C by A divided by AC. Let's say it as equation 2. Similarly, let's take C plus 1 by A is equals to A plus 1 by B. C plus 1 by A is equals A plus 1 by B. Shift this A to this side and 1 by A to that side. So C minus A is equals 1 by B minus 1 by A, which is equals to A minus B divided by LCM AB. Let's say it as equation 3. To find out the value of ABC, let's multiply this equation 1, equation 2 and equation 3. Then we have in equation 1 A minus B into B minus C into C minus A is equals, on the RHS side we have B minus C by BC into C minus A by AC into A minus B divided by AB. Let's keep this LHS part as it is. A minus B into B minus C into C minus A is equals. I'm going to keep this numerator part as it is, that is B minus C into C minus A into A minus B divided by BC into AC into A. Means each this alphabet or term appears twice, so we can write here A square into B square into C square. Now let's shift this RHS part to LHS. Then we can write A minus B into B minus C into C minus A minus A minus B into B minus C into C minus A divided by A square B square C square is equals to 0. Then we can factor out A minus B into B minus C into C minus A from these two terms. By factoring out A minus B into B minus C into C minus A, we have 1 minus 1 divided by A square B square C square is equals to 0. Then we can write A minus B into B minus C into C minus A is equal 0, or 1 minus 1 by A square B square C square is equals to 0. Further, this can be rewritten as A minus B is equal 0, B minus C is equal 0, and also C minus A is equals 0, which implies A is equals B, B is equals C, and C is equals A. here we can write that A is equals B, B is equals C, and C is equals A, means A, B, C are equal to one another. But in the question it is given that A, B, C are distinct real numbers. So A, B, C can't be equal to one another. So this solution is wrong. Let's try to simplify this part. Here we have 1 minus 1 by A square, B square, C square. Further we can write it as 1 by A square, B square, C square is equals 1. Or we can write A square, B square, C square is equals to 1. Then ABC is equals square root of 1. That is A square, B square, C square, square root is ABC. Then which is equals to 1. Then now ABC is equals square root of 1. Therefore we can write ABC is equals plus or minus 1. That is the required solution. I hope you got this solution. Thank you for watching the video.